My name's Amanda. I'm kind of new here. So I'm sure if you've been watching my videos for any length of time, this will not surprise you. My Boxycharm is here. Yeah, I do a lot of my videos with Boxycharm because, well, everyone else does, and I wanted to be as cool as them. So let's do the unboxing. And just so you know, we have opened the box, but I haven't used a lot. The first thing I pulled out of the box is the Pores No More from Dr. Brandt. Needles No More, No More Baggage. It's an eye cream. Helps with the puffiness. I don't think I have a lot of those problems, but we'll try it. The next thing we got is a Wander Beauty mascara. We got a Shella, it depends, eyebrow pomade thingy. Got a blush from Note. And the big thing, both physically and because it seems to be what everyone is excited about, and I can't find my scissors. Ugh. I had scissors in here. They're missing. Things get moved. We got a palette from Crown. Now, I honestly, guys, have not looked at this. I have been avoiding spoilers because, well, life is freaking busy. Ha! Fight me again, little box. Don't ask. But this palette, ooh, it has a mirror. Is upside down because of the mirror. It looks like it'll be a nice warm, it's a nice warm neutral. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmers, couple mattes, 4 mattes. Those pans are a good size. The mirror's nice. So what I'm going to do is I am going to create a look. I'll be honest with you guys right now. I'm not going to use these two products because I already have mascara open and I already have like 2 pomades, 2 brushes, a brow tint, and a gel. I don't need all that open right now, but I'll see you here in a moment. The big thing I wanted to use was this Dr. Brandt thing, so we'll see how that works. I scooted you in so you could see if the Dr. Brandt thing does anything for me other than frustrate me coming, there it is, coming out of the tube. It is an orangey kind of product, but it goes on clear apparently. And it's a squeezy tube. Okay, so here we go. Just so we're aware of what this is, it's after your eye moisturizer, warm a tiny amount between fingers and gently pat directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup for best results. Let dry in between applications. Reapply as needed. I want to let you guys know that I didn't have to hold it that far away to see it. I had a product I was using last week that here it is. It's a lip gloss and it's a mini and it's from L'Oreal Infallible, and I had to go like with those things to see it. I felt dumb. So yeah. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids and create an eye look. Alright guys, so what happened is I did make a look. An eyeshadow look as things are rolling around here. Sorry about that. So what I did is I used this color in the crease, or as a transition shade, this color in the crease, and then I worked from here, this in the outer corner, and then this color here in the center third, and then this color I believe was on the middle of, or the inner corner. That's the word I'm looking for. So, guys, this is a very nice palette. You got to build up the color a little bit, but you know what? That's fine. I want a palette that's you build up color. I don't want anything where you're going in head over heels, where you're diving right in, right? So what I did is I did use a mascara that I had open on my upper and lower lashes. I am using, because this was hyped last year, an e.l.f. foundation, and I also used the Pure Sculpting palette we got a few months ago in Boxycharm, and so now it's time for blush. So let's see me fight with this. Yay! I didn't fight with it. I'm sorry, I got excited. So how do you open this booger? Oh, there it is. All right. Now, oh, it does have a little brush inside. You just flip up the product, but I'll be honest, I'm not going to use it. So, not today at least. So, I am using a crown brush we got in Boxycharm a while back. And, ta-da! So, the Note Blush is kind of like a peachy color. It actually, for me, it coordinates well with my eye look. So, it's a little stronger than I thought it would be. So I'm gonna, or a little more pigmented than I thought it would be. So had to clean it up, or lighten it up with my beauty blender. And just so you guys know, I have learned this from watching Tati and other people here on YouTube. If your blush is a little too strong or anything else, just take what you either use a powder to blend it in a little, you know, or just go over it with your beauty blender or whatever you used for your foundation. So now I can tell you that I'm pleased, and I'm going to do something a little different. Everybody just does unboxings and first impressions of the products from Boxycharm. I'm going to use it straight for a week. We're going to see how many eyeshadow palette or eyeshadow looks I can get, and we're going to go with it. We're going to try it out. Why not? We have nothing to lose, right? So guys, if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. So we'll see you guys soon. Bye.